So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to change Monopoly Go Facebook account. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically, to change your Monopoly Go Facebook account right here, all you have to do is press these three hamburger buttons, and then right here you'll have to disconnect it. So here I have to connect it still, but here it will actually say that I will have to disconnect my Facebook account, and basically it will clear you off your Facebook account. It will be a link, and there you go, you can link another Facebook account. All you have to do is select the right Facebook account, and there you go guys, that's pretty much it. So again, all you have to do is go to the top right corner of your phone, and then if you're connected to your Facebook account, you can unlink it right here. So it will say unlink button right there, and then you will be able to connect another Facebook account that is available at your disposal. So there you go guys, it's just that simple. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching, and see you again next time.